Ever feel like everyone else's life is moving in fast forward, while yours is stuck on pause? If that's you, listen up. I'm breaking down the 10 real reasons you never progress. And trust me, number 1 will sting the most. 10. You wait for the perfect time. You keep saying, I'll start tomorrow when I'm ready when life settles. Newsflash, tomorrow is a trap. There's no perfect time, there's only wasted time. And speaking of wasted time, wait till you see number 8. 9. You're afraid of failing. Failure scares you so much, you don't even try. But here's the thing. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's the ticket into success. Think about it. Babies don't stop trying to walk just because they fell the first 38 times. 8. You waste time like it's free. You say you don't have time, but somehow you've mastered Netflix marathons, endless scrolling, and replying LOL in group chats you don't even enjoy. Time isn't free. It's the most expensive currency you'll ever spend. 7. You compare yourself to others. Instead of focusing on your lane, you're too busy staring at everyone else's scoreboard. But here's the truth. Their timeline isn't your timeline. Comparing yourself is like stopping your race just to clap for the runner next to you. 6. You want everyone's approval. Your progress is stuck on pause because you're waiting for likes, validation, or applause before moving. Spoiler, not everyone will clap for you, and that's fine. But the worst critic you'll ever meet is coming up at number 2. 5. You quit too soon. You start with fire, but the moment it gets tough, you throw in the towel. The sad part? Most people quit when success is just one more try away. 4. You don't have clear goals. You're grinding every day, but grinding where? Without a clear target, you're just running in circles and calling it progress. 3. You're surrounded by the wrong people. Show me your circle. I'll show you your future. If your friends are always draining you instead of driving you, guess what? They're not just holding you back, they're keeping you stuck. 2. You doubt yourself. That little voice in your head whispering, you're not good enough. That's your dream's number 1 assassin. More dreams have died from self-doubt than from actual failure. 1. You don't take action. This is the deadliest one. You read, you plan, you talk big, but you never do. Execution beats motivation every single time. Progress only comes to. So here's the truth. Knowing these reasons isn't enough. Pick one today, crush it, and you'll feel the shift. Drop in the comments the number that hit you hardest. And if you're ready to flip that pause button into play, hit subscribe. Because what I'm dropping next will change how you move forever.